Welcome to today's deep dive into one of the most versatile and compact camper vans on the market, the Winnebago Solis Pocket. If you're someone who craves adventure but loves the convenience of a nimble vehicle, this van might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we unpack its features, functionality, and why it's making waves in the camper van world. The Winnebago Solis Pocket is part of a growing trend of smaller camper vans designed for simplicity and versatility. It's perfect for those looking to embrace the van life without the commitment of a full-sized RV. Built on the reliable Ram Pro Master chassis, the Solis Pocket combines practicality with a surprising amount of comfort and clever design. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Solis Pocket stands out with its clean and compact design, measuring just over 17 feet long. This makes it easy to drive and park, even in tight urban spaces. It features a sleek, durable construction with a high roofline, ensuring you have plenty of room to move around inside. The thoughtful touches on the outside are worth noting. You'll find a roof rack system for extra storage, a rear ladder, and a sturdy bike rack. These features are perfect for adventurers who want to bring along their gear, whether for biking, kayaking, or hiking. Plus, the vehicle's compact size means it can double as your everyday car. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize how much thought Winnebago has put into maximizing every inch of space. The Solis Pocket comfortably sleeps two people, thanks to its innovative design. The Murphy bed is a standout feature, folding up when not in use to provide additional living or storage space. The dinette area is equally versatile, with seating that doubles as a workspace or dining area. It's perfect for digital nomads or anyone who wants to enjoy a meal with a view. And when it comes to storage, you won't be disappointed. There are cabinets, cubbies, and even a gear space under the bed, ideal for storing all your outdoor equipment. Now, let's move to the kitchen. The Solis Pocket comes equipped with everything you need to prepare meals on the go. You'll find a 2-burner stove, a sink with a swiveling faucet, and a compact refrigerator. There's even a countertop extension for added prep space. What's impressive here is how Winnebago has managed to fit a functional kitchen into such a small space without making it feel cramped. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing dinner after a long day of exploring, this kitchen has you covered. Next up is the bathroom, or, in this case, the wet bath. It's compact but highly functional, featuring a shower, a portable toilet, and a fold-down sink. The addition of a retractable shower curtain helps keep the area dry when not in use. For a van of this size, having a dedicated bathroom is a game-changer. What about staying comfortable on the road? The Solis Pocket comes equipped with a true Vario heating system, which keeps you warm during cooler adventures. The large side and rear windows, combined with roof vents, ensure good ventilation for warmer days. Plus, it's solar panel ready, making it easy to stay off-grid for longer periods. The van also has plenty of power outlets and USB ports, ensuring you can charge your devices no matter where your travels take you. It's clear that the Solis Pocket is designed for modern adventurers who want to stay connected while embracing the great outdoors. Of course, a camper van is only as good as its driving experience, and the Solis Pocket delivers here too. The Ram Pro Master chassis is known for its reliability and smooth handling. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating winding mountain roads. The fuel efficiency is another bonus. While you're not going to break any records, the Solis Pocket offers decent mileage for a vehicle in its class, saving you money on long trips. Who is the Solis Pocket for? This camper van is ideal for solo travelers, couples, or anyone looking to dip their toes into van life. Its small size and affordability make it an excellent choice for first-time buyers or those who want a multifunctional vehicle for weekend getaways and daily use. But don't let its size fool you. This van can handle a variety of adventures, from urban exploration to off-the-beaten-path destinations. Its compact footprint allows you to access places larger RVs simply can't go, opening up a world of possibilities. In summary, the Winnebago Solis Pocket is a masterclass in compact design and versatility. It offers the freedom and flexibility of van life in a package that's easy to drive, easy to park, and packed with features. From its comfortable sleeping arrangements to its fully equipped kitchen and bathroom, this van proves that you don't need a massive RV to live large on the road. If you've been dreaming of van life or simply want a vehicle that can take you on weekend adventures, the Solis Pocket deserves a closer look. With its thoughtful design and reliable performance, it's ready to take you wherever your wanderlust leads. So, what do you think of the Winnebago Solis Pocket? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels.